As an athlete, I've been wondering how yoga changed my body. I've been practicing for several years, and I've noticed some great benefits, including increased flexibility, improved mood, and reduced chronic pain. But what exactly is yoga? What makes it so special? This article will explain why I became addicted to yoga, and why I would recommend it to others. You might be surprised at what you learn. Read on to find out. Improves flexibility. Yoga exercises increase range of motion and improve flexibility in joints and muscles. This in turn helps to prevent injuries and repetitive use damage to joints. Many people who practice yoga also develop stronger muscles and bones to ensure that they are aligned correctly. In addition to its physical benefits, yoga helps improve mental health, which can prevent stress and insomnia. Here are 4 reasons why you should start practicing yoga. Read on to discover why you should start today. Yoga poses are designed to be held for 10 to 20 seconds at first, and then can be performed for a longer period. Some of these poses are adapted for people of all fitness levels. The key is to keep a steady position and don't bounce while doing them. You should feel the tension, but don't stretch to pain or extreme discomfort. Once you have learned the correct way to perform these exercises, you can then move on to more difficult poses. Improves mood. The question is, does yoga improve mood? Some researchers believe so, but others question whether yoga alone can have such a positive effect on mental state. A new study by researchers at Bowling Green State University examined 36 people enrolled in a 16-week weight loss program and found that participants reported a greater improvement in mood at the end of the day on days when they had planned physical activity. The participants in this study were asked to walk for 30 to 60 minutes per day and report how their mood was affected. Practicing yoga has numerous benefits, but it is best to focus on movement patterns that improve symptoms. Yoga can improve your mood as well as your physical health. Research shows that yoga can help people deal with their chronic pain. Meditation and mindfulness techniques can also help improve your mood. And because yoga is a form of exercise, you'll also enjoy many other mental benefits. And since it helps you deal with both physical and emotional health issues, it can even improve your sleep. Reduces chronic pain. Research on how yoga reduces chronic pain has not been conclusive. This is largely due to the fact that future studies should be based on people with similar types of pain and a higher degree of pain severity. Yoga also offers a sense of community, and many people find it a source of social and emotional support. Chronic pain is often a result of an illness or cancer, and the cause of the pain is rarely known. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.